Hello guys, today I do have the Samsung Galaxy A36 and I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth not connected in your device. So the first thing that actually we have to do is to open the settings. Wait a moment, I need to reset my settings. Here, settings. Now once you are here, go to the connections and tap Bluetooth. Not NFC, Bluetooth over here. Now make sure that Bluetooth is turned on like this. Once it's done, here, now you need to tap on your device to pair it. If you had your Bluetooth enabled, tap it at first to disable and toggle it back on to have it enabled. Now this should help you. If it didn't, we have to move to the next step. Tap your device in the Save Devices list if you have it. Then tap Unpair or forget to have it forgotten from your device. Once done, you need to just repair your device back again with your device. If it didn't help you, you need to now hold the power and volume down, click restart, and restart. Meantime, you can do a factory reset of your Bluetooth device. If these are, for example, earbuds, if this is a speaker or any other Bluetooth device, such as headphones or something like that, do a factory reset if this is available. It's because factory reset sometimes fixes some issues, and while your device is turned off, it works the best. You can both try restarting your Bluetooth device or resetting it, as I said. And now, as a last resort in our software terms, is that we need to at first go to the settings, scroll down here. Wait a moment, we need to at first see it. Scroll down here to the software update, and here tap download and install. If you have here any updates, just update your device. This should help you to fix any connectivity bugs. If you don't have any update, you need to contact device support because your Bluetooth module may be broken. But if you want to do so, at first try to pair your phone with any other different Bluetooth device that you are sure that it works. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!